Hi, Judd here. Got a little project going on. Figured it might help some people. I needed some flower pots, and they cost way too much. So basically I took a bunch of 2-liter bottles, cut the bottoms off, and I took a bunch of milk jugs and cut them like this. Okay, and now I'm just taking them, okay, here's one, with my soldering iron and just poking holes, burning little holes in the bottom of them for drainage. And I got me a bunch of no-cost flower pots. Okay, small ones and bigger ones. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so there we go. Cool. I was thinking maybe I ought to give that more holes, but that's good enough. So there you go. If you need some cheap flower pots. Happy day to you.